Go.
What's up, people? This is Mulatto Kings. My name is Joker, and that's Ghost. You know, if y'all know our real name, then y'all just know it. Go eat, go get a cookie, something. But okay, so we finna rap. We finna do a real quick beat, and well, we don't need no beat. We can do it without the beat. We don't need no instrumental or nothing. So this is a song that I made up like 2-3 years ago, and it's called Double 2K. Okay.
Wait, hold on. Shout out to I Am Lyrical. She's the reason why we making this video.
Oh yeah, shout out.
Yeah, shout out to her, whole HLE. Music, I love music. Music and her is the reason why we're so motivated to do this, cause we really love music. Like, it's crazy.
Crazy swag.
Like you'll see me walking down the sidewalk or something, just start killing my Dougie out of nowhere. But here we go. One, two, three, go.
Double 2K, double AK, who say what she say, I say what I mean. Y'all mean Swagger Jackie, double packing, I'm loving what I do, you wish you could too. Ooh, I just killed Joe Mojo and slow-mo. Whoa, whoa, so you lame-o that's looking like Pinocchio with his nose broke. Whoa, I just killed it. Ah!
Alright, this is Ghost. It's my turn. You already know what it is. Yeah. See, 1, 2, 3. My flow so stupid. I got your girl on me like Cupid. My bar so dumb. I chew your girl up and spit her out just like gum. My lyrics like cancer, deadly. To the point it make you look fugly. My jerkin so fly, make you look high. Ghost though, ayy.
Just so y'all know, when he was looking at his phone, that was not him stealing lyrics off the internet. Well, he made those own lyrics.
Hey, these are my lyrics. My lyrics.
And then show him the page. Show him your Facebook page.
Hold on.
It says Jordan Webb. Jordan Money.
Jordan Money Rich Webb. Money Rich Webb. This is our promo video for our chance to be.
Oh, I got another funny. Oh, I got a funny. Okay. I got something to say. You bitches start talking shit on the fucking internet. I'm tired of y'all bitches because y'all pissing me off. Y'all all talking shit nowadays. Y'all be making me fucking want to hit y'all in y'all fucking face.
Crack that Amber Cove.
Yeah. So y'all need to stop doing all that hating shit. I ain't do shit to y'all. I ain't hate on y'all. Especially this go out to fucking girl named Brianna Ramsey. I ain't say shit to you. So you shouldn't be talking shit. Fuck me.
Alright. Swag stay killing. I'm just like a villain chilling on the couch with a hacky sack pouch. Hey, no. But alright, no. Peace.
Kill it.